Architects and contractors, you strive to create structures that inspire, endure, and connect with the beauty of nature. But too often materials limit your vision. Wood warps, fades, and demands upkeep. Now for the first time ever, Western States Metal Roofing introduces Wood Log Standing Seam. Get a beautiful wood look with a metal roofing panel. Imagine the rich, timeless aesthetic of wood grain, now crafted in durable, low-maintenance Class A fire-rated metal. No rotting, no warping, just a bold design that lasts. These panels empower you to blend rustic warmth with modern strength, creating spaces that tell a story and stand the test of time. For projects that demand innovation and beauty, choose Western States Metal Roofing. Discover all our wood grain prints at westernstatesmetalroofing.com. And together, let's build what's next.